iOS 18.5 Beta 4, Deep Dive. Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're dissecting iOS 18.5 Beta 4. Apple just dropped this latest iteration, and we're here to give you the lowdown on everything new, improved, and changed. Get ready for a deep dive into the nitty-gritty details. Beta 4 introduces several notable features. First up, we have enhanced privacy controls for location services. Users now have even more granular control over which apps can access their location data and when. Next, Apple has refined the haptic feedback system. Expect more subtle and responsive vibrations across the operating system. This improvement aims to provide a more tactile and immersive user experience. Finally, there's a new accessibility feature that allows users to customize the size and color of the cursor. This will be a welcome addition for users with visual impairments. It enhances usability and personalization. Beyond the new features, Beta 4 brings significant performance improvements. Apple has optimized the operating system for smoother animations and faster app launch times. Early benchmarks suggest a noticeable boost in overall responsiveness. Specifically, users are reporting improvements in multitasking performance. Switching between apps feels snappier, and background processes are handled more efficiently. This translates to a more fluid and seamless user experience. Furthermore, Apple has addressed several memory management issues. This should result in fewer crashes and improved stability, especially on older devices. Expect a more reliable and consistent performance across the board. Of course, no beta release is complete without bug fixes. Beta 4 tackles a range of issues reported by developers and users in previous versions. Let's highlight some key resolutions. One major fix addresses a bug that caused unexpected battery drain in certain apps. Users should now experience improved battery life, especially when using resource-intensive applications. This is a welcome change for many. Another significant fix resolves an issue with Bluetooth connectivity. Users previously experiencing intermittent disconnections or pairing problems should find these issues resolved in Beta 4. Stable connections are crucial for many users. Finally, Apple has patched a security vulnerability related to Safari's browsing history. This fix enhances user privacy and protects against potential exploits. Security is always a top priority. Beyond the major features and bug fixes, Beta 4 includes several smaller changes and tweaks. These subtle adjustments contribute to a more polished and refined user experience. Let's explore some of these. Apple has updated the design of several system icons. The changes are subtle but contribute to a more modern and consistent visual aesthetic. These small details matter. The share sheet has also received some minor tweaks. The layout is slightly different, and some options have been reorganized for improved usability. Streamlining the sharing process is always beneficial. Furthermore, Apple has refined the behavior of the control center. Accessing and managing quick settings is now even more intuitive. This makes everyday tasks easier and faster. For developers, Beta 4 includes several important updates to the SDK. These changes provide new tools and APIs for building even better apps. Let's take a look at some key highlights. Apple has introduced new APIs for accessing the enhanced haptic feedback system. Developers can now leverage these APIs to create more immersive and engaging user experiences within their apps. This opens up exciting possibilities. There are also updates to the core ML framework. These improvements enable developers to build more powerful and efficient machine learning models. AI integration is becoming increasingly important. Finally, Apple has provided updated documentation and sample code for all the new features and changes in Beta 4. This helps developers get up to speed quickly and efficiently. Good documentation is essential. So, there you have it, a comprehensive overview of iOS 18.5 Beta 4. This latest iteration brings a mix of new features, performance improvements, bug fixes, and subtle tweaks. It's a significant step forward in the development of iOS. As always, remember that this is a beta release. Expect to encounter some bugs and issues along the way. However, the improvements and fixes in Beta 4 make it a worthwhile update for developers and early adopters. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more updates and deep dives into the world of Apple and iOS. We'll keep you informed every step of the way.